Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today. We're going to do a LACES training on how to access the NRS tables in LACES, which is one of the most common uses for someone to access LACES and get information out of it. We're going to start by loading up a web browser. Here I have Google Chrome loaded, and we're going to go to the LACES website, which is highlighted here for you. Once it loads, we're going to type in our account name and our password and choose sign in. And we're going to choose the agency. As you can see, I have access to all of the agencies, but of course you would choose your own. Now, if you're not very familiar with LACES, you'll see at the top we have a green bar. It always defaults us to the student tab. That's where a lot of what we would do in LACES takes place. Now, in order to run the NRS tables, you need to go to the searches feature. The searches feature is on the left side above the names. It's a small blue text. So we click on searches, and it brings us to another menu. In this menu, we're going to click on NRS because we want the NRS tables. And here you can see we have several different NRS tables to choose from. For our purposes today, we're going to look at NRS Table 4, the most common table. If you hover your mouse over NRS Table 4, you'll see Add and Replace as our two options. When you want to run a clean NRS table, just by fiscal year, no other searches, you're going to choose Replace. So today we're going to click on Replace. It's going to ask us for the reporting system, which is the fiscal year. Today we're going to choose fiscal year 17-18. We give LACES a few moments to load the table. And here we have our NRS Table 4. You can scroll down, of course, to see the rest of the table. It shows all of our AB levels, the total, the ESL levels, the total, and of course the grand total. Should you want to print this page, please don't print this screen. Go up to the print button that's in the upper right hand corner, and that will load it in a new window that is more printer friendly. From there you can print based on which browser you're using. Also, you notice when you run your mouse cursor over certain fields, your cursor turns into a hyperlink. So for example, if we go to AB Level 1 and the number that obtained a secondary school diploma's equivalent, we see that the cursor turns into a hyperlink on 3. If I go ahead and click on that, LACES will load those 3 students for me. And that is all there is to it to pull up the NRS table in LACES. So to recap, after you log in, you're going to click on Searches in the upper left-hand corner. You're going to mouse over the NRS table that you want to pull up. When you mouse over that NRS table, you're going to choose Replace. And then you're going to choose the fiscal year you want to look at. And there's your NRS table. If you have any questions for me, or if you have anything else that you'd like me to do a future video on in LACES, please contact me. My name is Doug Weimer, and there's my phone number and email address. I hope you have a great day. Thank you.